Best RC Crawlers. The demand for the best RC crawlers continues to grow as hobbyists and beginners alike seek durable, high-performance vehicles capable of tackling rugged terrain. Whether for outdoor adventures or technical crawling on rocky courses, buyers want quality builds, responsive controls, and long-lasting value. This guide evaluates crawler type, build quality, suspension layout, performance, and overall value to help you choose the most reliable model for your needs.
Product number 1. Hayboxing 1-18 Scale All-Terrain RC Car. The Hayboxing 1-18 All-Terrain RC Car is an excellent entry-level crawler-basher hybrid, offering impressive versatility and durability. Its top speed of 36 kph caters to those who enjoy both trail crawling and quick bursts of speed. Its 4WD drivetrain, independent suspension, and waterproof electronics make it suitable for dirt, grass, gravel, and mild rocky terrain. The 2.4 GHz remote system provides a stable connection with minimal latency, supporting precise throttle and steering control. Build quality is solid for the price, featuring a reinforced plastic chassis and metal components in high-stress areas. While not a pure crawler, it delivers great ground clearance and torque for climbing obstacles. Battery life averages 20 to 25 minutes depending on terrain, which is typical for this class. Overall, it's a terrific value pick for beginners wanting an all-terrain RC that combines speed, control, and durability.
Product number 2. Red Cat Racing Danshi RC Rock Crawler. The Red Cat Danshi Ridge Rock is one of the most popular true crawlers in the 1/10 category, offering features typically found in higher-priced models. Its dual-motor setup provides excellent torque at low speeds, crucial for steep climbs and technical rock obstacles. The four-wheel steering system is a standout feature, offering front, rear, crab, and coordinated modes to maximize maneuverability in tight spots. Build quality is surprisingly robust for an RTR crawler, with articulated suspension that conforms well to rough terrain. The included 2.4 GHz radio offers smooth input and allows quick switching between steering modes. While it isn't designed for speed, the slow, controlled crawling performance is exceptional. This model is ideal for users seeking a capable, full-size crawler without spending premium hobby-grade prices. Its upgrade-friendly design also appeals to enthusiasts who enjoy modifying their rigs over time.
Product number 3. Aris WPL C24-1 RC Rock Crawler. The Aris WPL C24-1 delivers remarkable scale realism and crawling capability at an accessible price point. Its 1/16 scale Toyota Hilux style body appeals to collectors and hobbyists who value authentic looks combined with functional suspension. The lightweight chassis and 4WD drivetrain allow the C24-1 to perform well on rocks, dirt trails, and uneven terrain. This model includes a high-flex suspension system featuring leaf springs and a solid axle design, providing an old-school but effective crawling experience. The proportional steering and throttle controls on the 2.4 GHz radio improve precision, especially on technical courses. While not as rugged or powerful as larger crawlers, it excels in scale performance and modding potential. Many users appreciate its customizable design, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists who enjoy upgrading motors, tires, servos, and body details. The Aris C24-1 is perfect for those who want realism and flexibility in a mid-size crawler.
Product number 4. Axial RC Truck. Axial is a leader in the crawler world, and the SCX24 Basecamp embodies that legacy in a compact 1/24 package. Known for its excellent out-of-box performance, this crawler offers a durable steel frame, solid axles, and a smooth 4-link suspension that excels on both indoor and outdoor courses. Its small size makes it perfect for home crawling setups, yet it still tackles outdoor rocks and roots with impressive ease. The brushed motor delivers strong low-end torque, while the 2.4 GHz radio keeps control responsive and stable. The scale details, body design, wheels, and lighting options add to its appeal. What sets the SCX24 apart is its massive aftermarket support, allowing owners to upgrade virtually every component. For beginners, it's easy to drive and maintain. For enthusiasts, it's a platform with endless potential. This model offers outstanding durability and value in the microcrawler segment.
Product number 5. Simrex 112 Scale All-Terrain RC Car. The Simrex 112 All-Terrain RC Truck is a budget-friendly crawler-basher hybrid designed for versatility and fun. Its 4WD system and oversized off-road tires provide excellent traction on sand, gravel, grass, and small rocks. The suspension has good articulation for its class, absorbing bumps well while maintaining stability. The 2.4 GHz remote offers dependable range and smooth steering response, making it suitable for new drivers. While not a dedicated slow-crawling machine, it performs well on moderate climbs and rough terrain. The lightweight design and durable body shell allow it to withstand casual impacts and outdoor play. Battery life is respectable, and the overall build quality is decent for an affordable 112 model. For families, beginners, or hobbyists wanting a versatile vehicle with good climbing ability and all-terrain performance, the Simrex offers strong value without overcomplicating setup or maintenance.